Hi, I'm Nate Bathke. I'm a service tech here for Fairchild Equipment. I've been here for about 5-ish years, based out of the Bloomington branch. I am a certified Platinum Elite technician, and I service the Rochester area. A tip I have for my customers is to make sure you train your operators correctly per piece of equipment. A lot of different pieces of equipment need to be operated in a different manner, in a different way to kind of keep them from having unnecessary issues. So just make sure you train them on the equipment that they're going to be running so they know exactly what to do and what to look for on a day-to-day basis. Something I like to do outside of work, I'm big into power sports, snowmobiling, riding motorcycle. So in my free time, me and my wife get on one of those power sports and go try and have some fun.